What's good, everyone? Today is Tuesday, October 7th, and as you can see, I am green on the day. Took two base hits today to log the day because I was due for a payout and didn't really want to put on much risk on a day like today. So let's get into the first trade. Okay, so originally came onto the day bullish because we were bullish on the 4 hour, pushing up, respecting 4 hour PDA raise, but had to switch my bias bearish after this sell-off at 11, right? Came down, inversed these 1 hour gaps and continue pushing down. So I was bearish, but the first trade I took was a long. So we came down, we had swept 4 hour lows. We got the inversion here. Got the inversion here. And originally I was supposed to just enter after a tap in, but I wanted to stay patient and see how far down we would drive. Um, and so I took a small entry here, right? I could have waited for this move and then an inversion, but size small and was just looking for a base hit. After liquidity sweep, there's SMT with ES. So I took this. My stops were at 40 points, and TP was up here. Or break even TP1 was this high right here, right? As you can see, we did push to this high. I didn't hold for it, right? Took off here pretty early. Took the base hit, but did hit TP1. Came back down to break even though after. Again, it was a pretty chopped day from the morning session. The best move of the day was this sell-off here, but because of how between 9:30 and 10:30, we were just chopping, doing nothing, right? And after, as you can see, after 10:30, we started getting the move down. But by this point, I wasn't paying attention to catch this move, right? So after we got the sell-off, came down, took a lot of liquidity, took a stab at this long for a quick base hit. I think I got was $60 here. Yeah. So that was the first trade. Now for the second trade, a bit more technical, right? So we came up, tap into this 15-minute gap. And as you can see, we got a sharp move out of the 15-minute gap, along with a 1-minute inversion of this bullish gap. So we inverse this, as you can see here, took the short entry here on the pullback. Again, I was just looking for a quick base hit to log the day, right? We eventually, my break even was around this area. I'd probably say it was down here. Then TP1 would have been these lows, right? Which we didn't hit. We kind of just chopped around, came back up. Would have got stopped out, break even. Um, so yeah, this was just took a quick scalp here to log the day. Made 52 on this trade. In total, up like $112 per account across 5 accounts. The overall balance on these my funded future accounts is currently at $12,113. So that was the day. Um, I'm also due for a payout, so we'll be doing that live here. Requesting a payout for my funded futures. Okay, cool. Let me make this a bit. All right, so as you can see, I'm up $2,421 across the 5 accounts. If you come down here, you see that I met the requirements, the 5 winning days of $100 or more, and I have a pretty good buffer, right? So I'm gonna be requesting payout. So what you do is go here where it says payout, click on that. Then you're gonna see all the accounts that are eligible for payouts, and you just hit request payout. You're requesting 1,500 from each account. Right now it's 7:37. My funding features are just super fast with their payouts. See how long it takes them today. I think last payout it took them like 5 minutes. 1500. Cool. So they do take 80%, so I'm not getting the full 1500. I'm only getting 1200. Sorry, they take 20% and you take 80. So that's a profit split to 80/20. Let's pick up. Mhm. Cool. So payouts have been received and they have been paid out according to my funding features, as you guys can see here. If I go back to my stats now, the amount should be deducted from these accounts. Let me refresh. Not as yet, I guess. Okay. So yeah, that was it. Currently, I think the balance after the payout is gonna be around $900, 800 to $900. So it's a decent buffer to continue trading on these accounts and get more payouts, right? My goal is to get these to live. So 5 payouts and I'll be able to be transferred to live, right? So yeah, that was it for today. Simple base hit to secure my payouts, and yeah, on to the next. All right, so as you can see here, I'm on the rise. It's currently 7:42, and all of the accounts have been paid out to the rise. As you can see, 6,000, which is 1,200 per account, 5 accounts. So once in rise, just go to withdraw, choose a bank you want to withdraw to, hit max, and I confirm. And that's it. Should hit my bank account in 1 minute or less. So yeah, that's all. Love my funding features. They're the fastest. They pay out the fastest out of all the prop firm that I've gotten payouts with. My funding features has paid out the fastest. So yeah, that's all. On to the next.